Hi guys, welcome back to another Apple Topics video. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to package your MacBook like a brand new computer. I don't know if you already saw my video, but I did an unboxing of this computer, which wasn't new. It has about 1 year already. And this is how I did it. Let's go into the intro. Hey guys, I hope you like the intro. One thing I want to clarify right now. I just finished recording the unboxing of it, and I'm pretty tired, and it is pretty late, and I don't have a cameraman anymore, obviously, because everyone's in their houses. So I'm recording and doing the video, so just excuse me for the quality and the movement. So let's go ahead and start the video. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the video with this adapter. This is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter for the Macbook Airs, MacBook Pros, technically every MacBook Apple sells right now. As you can see, to package it, let's say you're gonna sell it or send it back to Apple. So first of all, I recommend always keep the plastics, the instructions, never throw them away into the trash, and the paper and all that, because that is very good detail. Or let's say you're gonna sell that always gives you some extra, like you can sell it even more with even more money. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside there, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay guys, so after putting it inside this cardboard piece, as you can see, obviously you're gonna have like that broken off because obviously you took it out when it was brand new. There's no way to take it out without breaking that. You have right there. So this one actually goes inside the USB port like that. Package it as well as you can to get the best value. I'm actually kind of good at this because, not bragging about it, I'm sorry if you felt like that. I'm not trying to brag about it, but it's because since I was little, I love, like I have been, everything Apple Pro, and I just seen like what I look forward to being. You can see when you go to channels what channels I'm subscribed to, and you can see I'm subscribed to them. So I'm gonna put that back in the box. And so since I was little, I loved to take everything I had and recorded it like it was a new product, even though it had like 5 years and I didn't even have the box. I actually made my own boxes. So that's why I even made my own plastic wrappers. So after you put that in there, put the little tab and then go ahead and close that up. I usually sell in eBay, so you do have to do in the description that is not sealed. So yeah, don't lie to people. Don't lie because they don't like being lied. When people buy stuff, they want to see what they paid for, like what they saw they were gonna get. If not, they might want a refund, which you don't want to deal with that. So here I actually have the paper that came in the keyboard to protect the screen of the MacBook during shipping, and the plastic. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this beautiful case. Okay, so I have taken off the other part of the case. I'm gonna put it right there in my window. Pretty nice day, isn't it? Sadly enough, we can't go outside. Okay, so after you have done that, you wanna go ahead and open up your computer, turn it off, and put it into the factory settings. Most computers have different ways of doing that. In this case, I'm not gonna reset it because I'm not selling, and I'm just gonna turn it off completely. You can do this by turning it off correctly or just hold down the power button for 10 seconds. Then align that correctly to protect the glass or LCD or plastic screen from the keyboard. Go ahead and clean the keyboard and the screen before doing all of this. And I usually clean my electronics with Windex and some paper towels and microfiber cloth. So after doing that, if you have your original plastic, just go ahead and peel that up. I'll go ahead and do that. So once you have done that, this is only if you really want the other person to have the best experience ever. By the way, this video is not to encourage people to seal their computers like new and then even though they aren't new, and then sell them in eBay or something like that, saying that they have never been opened. So please don't do that, because I know how that is, how that feels like, being scammed technically. And you can even sometimes put higher prices when you say it's sealed, and then that is not good. So please don't do that. So what I was gonna say is, if you have like any evidence of you unboxing it, taking it out from the wrapper, I do encourage you to go ahead and look at that video and see how the computer was put in the plastic, like what side. In my case, it was like this, so I'm gonna put it inside the bag right now. Okay guys, so now all you have to do is get the other part and lay it down. Try to get it as flat as possible so you don't see like ripples like that, because that's not gonna be very nice to do. Okay, so I have done the best as I could. Okay, so I'm back. As you can see, it's a complete mess in here. So the first thing you want to do is grab your original power brick, and if you have changed it and you want to sell your computer, I completely recommend you to buy one from Apple, because that will increase your value of the computer, and also it's gonna be less of a risk of it gonna failure, like it's gonna have a failure, like just stop working. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab your little piece of paper that protected that when it's shipping when it was new, and put it inside. Okay, so you might think I'm a perfectionist. I am not. As you can see, there's some scotch. So yeah, I just tried to do it the best as I could. Let's stick that down. Try to put it in the right orientation. As you can see, there's a cut right there, so I know it was like that when it was new. The next thing is you want to put power brick inside the box of your Macbook or computer or phone. So there you go. That's how it was when it was new. Next of all, this will increase also the value of your computer when you go ahead and sell it. You want to save this when you bought your computer. If you saved it, that's very good. Even the Apple stickers, that gives you a lot of more like money when you go ahead and sell it. So go ahead and put this inside the envelope. Okay, so as you can see, I have put it inside the envelope. You have to fold these two, then fold that one, then fold that one in there. And then you can put this right there covering the power brick, and there you go. Next up, you have to do the charging cable. In my opinion, the cable is just a nightmare to do. It's the worst thing ever to put it in here. So for the sake of this video not being too long, and I already did it once, I took 2 hours just to do the unboxing, which obviously you should go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna put a link right over there, I think it is. So yeah, go ahead and watch the video to see how I was able to make it look like. For the sake of this video, I'm not doing that, and I'm just gonna put this cables right there, and let's just assume I put it in there, because this is a nightmare to do. You're gonna take a while. But if you really want the other person to have a good experience with this in your computer, like just wrap it around and put it in there. And always go ahead and use like a cloth and cleaning the inside in case it has any like just any stuff in there which might make it look dirty. So after that, you want to put your computer facing the right way. As you can see, the lettering's like that, so then I have to put it like that, so that the pull tab is in the front and not in the back, like so. So that is how it might look. Okay, next you want to go ahead and put the top part of the box in the MacBook box. Please do go ahead and clean everything, all the dust, put it out, and do go ahead and also clean your table. So just get some paper towel, put some let's say Windex too, and just do like that. That's gonna be cleaning it, and now it looks brand new, as you can see. After that, you just have to close it. Remember, you're never gonna open this again before you send it to the seller, like to the buyer, sorry. And now, if you are kind enough, you can always increase the price of your computer by including a case to go in the computer, and not only that case, but also this case. And in this new MacBooks, if you have this will also help your price go up, which is always why you want to have a bigger price so you don't lose money. Obviously these computers will depreciate, and it's not gonna be $1,000 when you sell it. You should sell it like about $800 because it is used. It's gonna have some scratches, it's not gonna be perfect, and you don't want to charge people $1,000 for a new computer. Okay, so this might sound crazy, but even the wrapping that goes and seals the computer right here, like all that, the wrapping, which is this that goes around the computer, actually gives some like money. It will let you sell this computer for a lot more than you would be able to sell it if you didn't have that. So you wanna first, before doing that, you wanna clean the box. As you can see, mine's a little bit dirty right there. I'm not gonna clean that right now. I'm not selling my computer. I will do a different video like this for iPhones too. Those are a different process. You wanna do that? Yeah. So in my case, I'm not gonna put it in the box. I'm gonna show you one part of the video of the unboxing, because this is just difficult. So yeah, just bear in mind this is gonna take some effort to do. It's not as easy as it looks. So yeah. Then MacBook Air. I'm very sorry. So yeah, then that's pretty much it for this video, and that's pretty much all for this video. Please go ahead and subscribe, like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you did not like it, and please comment down below why you disliked the video. Please just keep in mind, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry for all the movement that was like this. I know you don't like all that movement, and all me just moving my phone like that. And click the bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload a brand new video of your interest. So subscribe if you like this video, and so many more things. So hope you liked it. This concludes an Apple Topics video, and peace out.